Buenos dias, clase. Today, I'm going to be combining my chef skills and my Spanish skills together to you get to have breakfast with me today. El desayuno con Sr Mendoza. So, be excited. You get to see some of my cooking skills, and we're going to go through some of the ingredients to practice some of your Spanish words. So, to start off with, we're going to practice with breakfast. Breakfast in Spanish is el desayuno. So let's practice. El desayuno. El desayuno. El desayuno. Good. So to say I want to eat breakfast, you would say yo quiero comer el desayuno. Yo quiero comer el desayuno. Or you could just say I want breakfast. Yo quiero desayuno. Ready? Yo quiero desayuno. Yo quiero desayuno. Perfect. Gotta keep up, right? So I'm going to be making kind of a Spanish frittata / a casserole. I just kind of wing it. That's how Mexicans do it. That's how my family always does it. We just kind of wing it, make it happen. So welcome. So we're going to start off with the basics with the eggs, right? So we're going to start off with practicing how to say egg. So, el huevo, el huevo, el huevo, el huevo, el huevo. Good. Now, to say multiple eggs, because we know we don't just use one. So, to say multiple eggs, we have to change our article and our noun. We have to make them both plural. So then we would say los huevos, los huevos, los huevos, los huevos. Perfect. Good. So this has eggs in it. The second, one of the other ingredients I'm going to be putting in it, onions. Onions, you can't go wrong. So, to say the onion, you would say la cebolla. La cebolla. La cebolla. Perfect. I'm also going to be adding everyone's favorite, some bacon. So bacon, let's practice. El tocino. El tocino. El tocino. El tocino. Good. I'm also going to be adding some turkey that I chopped up. So we're going to be practicing how to say turkey, which is el pavo. El pavo. El pavo. El pavo. El pavo. Awesome. I'm also going to be adding green bell pepper. So this one's a little bit trickier because there are different ways to say bell pepper. You have to remember that there are many Spanish-speaking countries out there, and we say bell pepper differently. So I'm going to be showing you three of the most common ones, three different ways. One of them is el pimiento, el pimiento, el pimiento, el pimiento. Good. The other two is a little bit more common for me. I even had to ask my mom. I was like, Mom, which one do you use? So the easier one to remember, if you remember, so this kind of looks like a bell, right? So chile campana. So that one's probably the easiest to remember. Chile campana, chile campana, chile campana. Perfect. So now the third one you could use is chile morrón. For those of you that love to roll your R's, chile morrón, chile morrón, chile morrón. There you go. Perfect. The next ingredient, so we're going to put some spinach in there. So to say one spinach, you say la espinaca, la espinaca, la espinaca. Now, of course, you just don't use one spinach, you use multiple spinach. So you would say this spinach, it's not correct, but you would say las espinacas. So let's practice. Las espinacas. Las espinacas. Las espinacas. Awesome. And then finally, of course, you gotta have some cheese in there. Everyone's favorite. So let's practice how to say cheese. El queso. El queso. El queso. El queso. Good. And today I'm just going to be using regular mozzarella. So, putting together this dish, you're going to mix in everything. Now, to mix, or to blend in this case, because you have to whisk the eggs a little bit. So, we're going to practice the verb batir. Let's practice. Batir. 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 Perfect. Awesome. So I'm going to be putting all of that together and then we'll finish up our vocabulary.
Okay, clases, so I'm over here adding the ingredients. As you see, I've added las espinacas, la cebolla, el chile campana, chile morrón, el pimiento. I've added all those. And of course, I've greased the pan down below. Any type of oil is fine. I have los huevos, batiendo los huevos. I've whisked the eggs over here with some heavy cream and some spices in there. I also added some hot sauce, got to spice things up. Nuestra salsa. So again, I've added all the ingredients here in the pan, whisked my eggs, ready to add everything. So to say add the ingredients, we have to say añadir los ingredientes. So let's practice. Añadir los ingredientes. Añadir los ingredientes. Perfecto. Okay, here is the product before putting it in the oven. So I already preheated my oven to 350, 350. El número es 350. One big thing that we've have to remember is the oven in Spanish is el horno. So in Spanish, let's practice oven. El horno. Again, el horno. El horno. So this kind of Spanish frittata is gonna go in here for 20 minutes. I added the nice layer of cheese on there. Gonna put our timer. Again, para ¿cuánto? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 minutos. Voy a ponerlo por 20 minutos y empezar. Alright, clase, here is the final product. Nice and crispy. Gonna cut this up and then you can have it for later, for right now. So hopefully you enjoyed this Spanish cooking session with Sr Mendoza. Until next time. Hasta luego.